What if you didn't have a mortgage payment on your next house? I know. It sounds like a dream from a decade, 2 decades ago. But for a growing number of homeowners in the East Valley, it is a very real reality. In fact, right now, nearly 3 in 10 homes are being purchased in cold, hard cash. That is significantly higher than anything we saw pre-pandemic. Today, I'm showing you how they're doing it, why they're doing it, and most importantly, how the home you're sitting in right now may be the bank that funds your next dream home without a single monthly payment. So you may be asking, where is all of this cash coming from? Well, the answer is very, very simple. Home equity. Between 2020 and 2021, we saw the perfect storm. Record low interest rates and record low inventory. And with that combination, it sent home values in areas like Mesa, Gilbert, Chandler, Queen Creek absolutely skyrocketing. If you owned your home during that time, you've likely seen massive appreciation, maybe even enough to buy your next property. As the National Association of Realtors puts it, homeowners are converting years of price appreciation into immediate purchasing power. If you've been building a fortune while you sleep, it might be time to wake up and put that money up. Now, if you're new here, hi, I'm Katie Evans, aka the Real Estate Boss Mom, and I'm a licensed real estate agent here in Arizona. I don't just believe in selling houses, I believe in helping you use real estate as a tool to build the life that you want for yourself and for your family. So if you like getting the real numbers without the typical sales stuff and fluff, well, make sure that you hit subscribe in our YouTube channel and also hit that little notification bell so it lets you know next time we put up a video. And for more daily tips on how you can maximize your East Valley or Arizona investment, follow us on places like Instagram and Facebook. You'll find us just by looking up the Living 48 Real Estate Team. We're building a community of savvy homeowners, and I'd love to have you as a part of it. Now let's jump back into our video. If you have enough equity to go all cash or even are close to it, here is why you really should consider it. Number 1, certainty wins. Sellers value certainty above all else, and an all-cash offer removes that fear of financing falling through the last minute. It is a competitive market, and as always, cash is king. Number 2, the speed factor. Without underwriting and lender approvals, you can close in days rather than in weeks. This is a massive draw for sellers who need to move quickly. Number 3, financial freedom. No mortgage means no monthly payments. You own the house outright from day one, freeing up your budget for travel, savings, or those home improvements that you've always wanted to do, and maybe this house needs a little bit of as well. Number 4, let's talk about that cash discount. This is the one that surprises the most people. Cash buyers often pay less for their house than those with a mortgage. On average, as a matter of fact, all cash buyers spend about 9% less than those using traditional financing. Sellers are often willing to take a lower price in exchange for a fast, guaranteed deal. Number 5. So now, is this realistic for you? Look, not everyone can buy their next home entirely in cash, and that's okay. But even if you can't pay 100% in cash, the equity that you have built gives you massive negotiating power. Maybe it means downsizing to eliminate a mortgage or relocating with a 50% down payment to keep your monthly costs tinier than you've ever seen before. The point is, your current house is what makes these options possible for you. So before you just assume that you need to jump back into a traditional 30-year mortgage, I want you to ask yourself one very important question. How much equity do I really have? The answer might exchange your entire plan for the next 5 years. My invitation to you, Let's go run those numbers together. Call or text me at 480-415-13. Go to our website at www.living48realestate.com and I'll put your actual equity on paper and show you what your buying power looks like in 2026. No pressure, just the facts. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie Evans, aka the Real Estate Boss Mom, and I'll catch you in our next video.